Konnichiwa minasan, welcome back to the channel. This is Pradeep Sharma and today we are going to learn the kanji of love, like, favorite. So this is the kanji of love, like, favorite. Now let's move to the strokes of this kanji. Here guys, we can see that this kanji have 6 strokes which we would have to follow to make this kanji. So now let's start the strokes of this kanji. Ichi, ichi ni san, ichi ni san yon, ichi ni san yon go, ichi ni san yon go, roku. This is the final kanji which is having 6 strokes, this one. So now let's practice for the strokes of this kanji. Ichi, ichi ni san, ichi ni san, sorry, let's do it again. Ichi ni san, ichi ni san yon, ichi ni san yon go, and this is the final kanji which is having 6 strokes. Ichi ni san yon go roku. Let's do it one more time. Ichi ni san yon go roku. Let's do it again. Ichi ni san yon go roku. Let's do it for the final time. Ichi ni san yon go roku. So guys, this is the final kanji which is having 6 strokes. This is the kanji of love, like, favorite. So now let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Kunyomi of this kanji are su. Kina we will have to add additional, and ku also will have to add additionally, and these are written in romaji and hiragana. So su is the kunyomi of this kanji, and onyomi of this kanji is ko, written in katakana and romaji. So now let's move to the meanings of this kanji. Here we will learn 2 meanings for this kanji. Here, if we are writing this kanji as a prefix with kina, then we will pronounce it sukina, written in romaji as well. Sukina means favorite, and here if we are writing this kanji as a prefix with ku, then we will pronounce it suku, and suku means to be loved, and suku is the dictionary form of sukimas. I'll drop the link in description for dictionary form, and suku is the dictionary form of sukimas. So guys, these were the meanings of this kanji. Now let's have a look on an example to learn this kanji, and our example is written in romaji as well. So this is the example. This is our kanji of suki. Sukina ryori wa. This is the kanji of what we have already studied it. I'll drop link in description. Nan desu ka. Sukina ryori wa nan desu ka, which means what is your favorite dish. So guys, this is the kanji of love, like, favorite. Ryori means this. I hope you guys have understood this. Then please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Ja mata arigato gozaimasu.